Problem 7. We have in the relationship between variables x and y, each increase of 1 in the value of x decreases the value of y by 2. When x equals 0, y equals 5. What equation represents this relationship? Okay, so this verbiage, the way that they're wording this question, the verbiage, it sounds kind of confusing at first. So anytime we have a math problem, we want to look at the information we're given and use as much of it as possible, as long as it's relevant, in order to find our answer to the equation or to find our answer to the problem. So first of all, let's note that these answers are all in a particular format. So sometimes the answers and the way they're written can give you a clue about how to do the problem. They're all written as y equals mx plus b. They all just have different values for m and a different value for b, right? So we know it's something with slope-intercept form, right? Slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. This is our slope-intercept form. Remember, that's because our slope is our m and our intercept, our y-intercept is b, right? So then we want to find in the actual question where they're giving us the information that we need, which is the slope and the y-intercept. So let's think about the y-intercept. It equals when x equals 0, right? So we see when x is 0, y is 5. So we have a point 0, 5, which means x is 0, y is 5. So remember, x is 0, y is 5, which means that our y-intercept, b, equals 5, okay? The other part that they gave us was if we have a line, they're both, not like that. We know, let's not imagine line. Let's imagine that we have just something that's increasing and decreasing, okay? So each increase of 1 in the value of x, so every time x goes up by 1, and anytime we're increasing, this is our coordinate plane, right? When we're increasing x by 1, let's say we have a point over here. When we increase x by 1, we move in the positive direction, 1. Every time we do that for x by 1, it decreases the value of y by 2. So we go down 2. Down 2, which is negative 2, right? So then again, we go over 1, down 2. Over 1, down 2. So we can see that these are going to be our points, and we can draw a line, okay? So then these become our growth triangles. So remember, our slope, m, equals rise over run, right? So m is going to equal our rise, which is negative 2, over our run, which is 1, okay? So then our m is equal to negative 2 over 1, and negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. So we see our m is negative 2, our b is 5. We have everything we need to write slope-intercept form because we have our slope and our intercept, our y-intercept. So y is going to equal our slope, negative 2, times x, which just remains x, plus 5, because b is equal to 5. And we look for our answer. We see our answer is found in D. So our answer is D. Y equals negative 2x plus 5.